concatenation on null values. A null value gets ignored during concatenation. For example, let us just say that I want to produce a result set which would look like, hi, I am first name, last name, and my commission percentage is this much, the end. To do that, I will use the following SQL. Select, hi, I am first name, last name, and my commission percentage is commission percentage, the end. Look at the single quotes and spacing carefully. Let me run it. If you look here, I have a single space after this yes. And look what happens in the result. If the values are null, then I notice that it is completely ignored. I just see the space that I allocated here. For rows with values, we can see this output where you get the values and the space. If you remove that space, we can closely verify that null values are totally getting ignored in concatenation. See, after yes, there is a dot which is actually from this one. But if there is a value, then the value comes. Thank you for watching.